Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, I have some exciting news for all of you who want to take your YouTube game to the next level. In this video, we are introducing the YouTube automation course for 2023. So grab your notepads and get ready to revolutionize your YouTube channel. But before starting the video, I want to share with you that whatever we will earn from this video, we are going to donate 9% of our total earnings to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated in India by the end of 2034. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel, and if you will gain anything from the video, do like it and comment to let us know. Your contribution will help some unprivileged children to be educated, and that would be a great support from your end. As we all know, YouTube is an ever-evolving platform, and staying ahead can be quite challenging. That's why we've created the YouTube Automation Course 2023 to help you leverage the power of automation and make your YouTube journey more efficient and effective than ever before. This course is packed with basic information, terminologies, and some free YouTube automation tools that top YouTubers are using right now to skyrocket their success. Also, by the end of this video, we will be discussing some untold tips and strategy for your YouTube automation. So stick to the videos till the end, as this will provide you with the basic necessary information that will surely be helpful for you. Whether you are just starting out or already have a channel, this course will help you take from beginner to pro and help you achieve your YouTube goals faster than ever before. In this video session, we will discuss certain topics like what exactly is YouTube automation, basic terminologies that you must know about YouTube automation, some free tools that will help you gain more views on your YouTube channel, and some additional information regarding this YouTube automation course. So let's get started. What is YouTube automation? So YouTube automation refers to the use of automated tools, scripts, or software to perform various tasks on the YouTube platform. Various tools are designed to streamline and simplify processes, making it easier for content creators, marketers, and channel owners to manage and optimize their YouTube channels. YouTube automation can involve a range of activities, which include: number 1, control management. Actually, automation tools can assist you with uploading, scheduling, and organizing videos on a YouTube channel. They can automatically publish videos at specified times, add relevant metadata such as titles, descriptions, and tags, and categorize videos into numerous playlists. The second thing is engagement and interaction. There are some automation tools that help creators engage with their audience by automatically replying to comments, sending personalized messages, or liking and sharing videos. These tools can help improve user engagement and save time by automating repetitive tasks. Number 3, analytics and reporting. Many times, automation can also be used to gather data and generate reports on channel performance, video views, subscriber growth, and other metrics. These tools provide insights that help creators analyze their audience and optimize their content strategy. Number 4, monetization and revenue generation. Automation tools can also assist you in optimizing monetization strategies by suggesting ad placements, managing ad formats, or providing recommendations for revenue optimization. They can also help creators maximize their earnings from their YouTube channels. Number 5, SEO and video optimization. Apart from these, automation can also be used to optimize video titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails to improve search engine visibility and increase organic traffic to YouTube channels. These tools can analyze keywords, suggest improvements, and automate optimization. Now, moving forward, let's discuss some important terms that you must know to leverage the automation power so that your YouTube journey could jump to the next level. Basic YouTube automation terminology and useful words that you should know. Don't worry, I am not going to bore you by explaining some random keywords, but it's something that every creator must be aware of. and we will be using it in the rest of our videos of the series. So let's dive in. Number 1, CPM, cost per mile. Basically, it represents the cost that an advertiser pays for your 1000 ad impressions on YouTube. CPM is often used to measure the revenue potential of YouTube creators. Number 2, RPM, revenue per mile. It is the estimated revenue on a YouTube channel earns per 1000 video views. RPM takes into account both revenue and YouTube's share of the revenue. Number 3, watch time. It refers to the total amount of time viewers spend watching your YouTube videos. Watch time is an important metric because it affects a video's visibility in search results and recommendations. CTR, click-through rate. It is the percentage of viewers who click on a specific video or ad after seeing it. CTR is a measure of engagement and can indicate the effectiveness of your titles, thumbnails, and overall content strategy. Number 5, monetization. The process of earning money from your YouTube channel through advertisements, channel memberships, super chat, merchandise shelf, and other revenue streams. Number 6, subscriber. A subscriber is usually a user who has chosen to follow a YouTube channel and receives updates whenever new updates are published. Subscribers are an important metric that is responsible for channel growth and audience engagement. Number 7, views. It is the number of times a video has been watched. Views are a key metric for determining a video's popularity and can contribute to revenue generation through ad impressions. Number 8, engagement. It refers to the level of interaction viewers have with your videos, such as likes, comments, and shares. High engagement indicates that your content is resonating with your audience. Number 9, algorithm. It is YouTube's proprietary system that determines which videos to recommend and promote to users based on various factors such as watch time, engagement, relevance, and user preferences. Number 10, analytics. The data and insights provided by YouTube about your channel's performance, including views, watch time, audience demographics, traffic sources, and more, are what we call analytics. Analytics help you understand your audience and make data-driven decisions. Number 11, thumbnail. You must have witnessed small images in search results, recommendations, and related videos. These small images are called thumbnails. Thumbnails should be eye-catching and compelling to encourage clicks. Number 12, SEO, search engine optimization. The process of optimizing your videos and channel to rank higher in YouTube's search results. SEO involves using relevant keywords, writing descriptive titles and descriptions, and optimizing tags. So guys, these are some of the key terms and concepts related to YouTube automation. Understanding them can help you navigate the platform, analyze your channel's performance, and make informed decisions to grow your audience and revenue. Now, let's move on to the next topic of the video, which is popular tools to get more views. Yes, now you can gain views on your YouTube videos with the help of some advanced software tools. So remember that 2 most useful tools and succeed on YouTube. The most popular tools that can assist you in optimizing your YouTube videos and increasing your views are TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Here's some speciality about each tool. Number 1, TubeBuddy. So, TubeBuddy is a browser extension that provides a wide range of tools to enhance your YouTube experience. Some of its special features include Tag Explorer. This helps you find relevant tags for your videos and improve their discoverability. Keyword rank tracking. Now you can track the ranking of your videos or specific keywords on YouTube search results by using this software. Video SEO analysis. TubeBuddy also analyzes your video's metadata, tags, and other factors to suggest improvements for better search ranking. A/B testing. This enables you to compare different thumbnails, titles, and descriptions to determine which ones perform better. Competitor analysis. This feature lets you analyze the performance of other channels and learn from their strategies. Bulk processing tools provides tools to save time and simultaneously apply changes to multiple videos. Number 2. vidIQ. vidIQ is yet another browser extension that offers various features to optimize your YouTube video. Even we are using vidIQ for our channel. Some key features of vidIQ include keyword research. This feature helps you find relevant keywords and tags for your videos to increase their visibility. Competitor analysis. It allows you to analyze the performance of other channels, their tags, and video strategies. Real-time stats. This provides you with live analytics about your videos, including views, engagement, and social metrics. SEO score. The other feature evaluates your video's optimization and suggests improvements to enhance its searchability. Thumbnail generator offers a tool to create appealing and clickable thumbnails for your videos. Trend alerts. It notifies you about trending topics and keywords to help you stay relevant and create timely content. Both TubeBuddy and vidIQ have free versions with very limited features, but they also offer paid plans with additional functionalities. These tools can be beneficial for optimizing your YouTube content, improving your search rankings, and ultimately increasing your views and channel growth. So you can choose any of these as per your requirements. Some untold tips and strategies for YouTube automation. In order to save time and effort, keyword research and utilizing AI tools could be a great option to automate your video editing process, making it faster and more efficient. Automating personalized responses, comments, messages, and utilizing chatbots and AI can help you to engage with your audience. You must learn analyzing your channel's metrics, identifying trends, and discovering opportunities for improvement and to accelerate your growth. At last, it's important to note that while YouTube automation can be useful in certain aspects of the channel management, it's essential to comply with YouTube's terms of service and community guidelines. YouTube has specific rules and restrictions in place to prevent misuse and maintain the integrity of the platform. Creators should always use automation tools responsibly and ethically. So, this was all about the YouTube automation and its basics, which is the first step of your YouTube automation journey. I hope you liked the first video of the How to YouTube Automation series. If you found this video beneficial for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you find that any topic is missing in this series, you can leave comments. We will surely try to cover those topics in our next videos of the series. Also, press the bell icon given below in order to get the new video updates on our channel. Thank you for tuning in for our video today. We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative or entertaining. We suggest you read the 3 books mentioned in the description. So that's all for today. See you in our next video.